So we're going to get it out there for you. Hey, Jack, come here, hold it.
Oh, the best place is over here on this side, but that's okay.
Alright, we'll see. Hold it with both hands like this.
Closer to one side or the other is usually better.
Wait till we see if anything grabs it. So not in the middle then? We'll just kind of
throw it toward the side, one side or the other. He'll stay on now. Come here, Jack. Come here. Come here, Jack, reel it up. Reel it in. Turn it. Turn it.
Got a fish, Jack.
Feel it?
Here it comes.
Hey, Jack, here it comes.
Whoa! He's ready to grab it.
Look at that. A little one.
Little fish.
Is it a bluegill?
Touch it. You can touch it.
It's like, I don't want to see it.
Okay. Come back. Try it again?
Hey, here, Jack. No, hold the rod this way. Hold it there.
Feel it. He's there. Keep going.
Yeah,
Keep
pulls
going.
it under.
Keep going. See the fish out there, Jack? You pulling?
It's just a warm-up for tomorrow.
Oh, look at that. Whoa, that was even bigger. Look at that. No, it's bigger. That's it. Okay, you want to touch it?
Should be on the other side.
What?
Is that cool?
Looks like bluegills.
Yeah.
Yeah. There he goes. Back in the water.
Come here.
I know. Okay, roll. Okay, no, other way, like this. Here, hang on.
You got another one already?
Yeah. You feel that? You feel it?
Looks like an even bigger one.
Yeah, it is. It's pulling harder.
Whoa, look at that.
Good job. I hope it's this quick at the ocean.
That'd be so fun. You should do a family fishing derby and see how many you can do in like 2 minutes or something, you know?
Do it again.
All right.
Oh, I know.
I mean, that one didn't even like hit the, I mean, it just hit the water and boom, it was gone. Okay, Jack, you hold the rod.
Oh, watch out, don't go in the lake.
Yeah.
What do they call again?
These are sunbird.
Sunfish,
Yeah.
not
I caught
bluegill, I
them
guess.
and put them in a friend's pond years and years ago.
Further out.
And then
What?
they went back east, so they got a bunch, brought them over here.
Sam, do you want to catch fish?
You should catch it.